Hi everyone, welcome to SK Tutorials. Today we will study about microbiology. So, the name itself states that micro means very small. Bio means living. And logy means study. So, the name itself states that the study of very small living organisms is called microbiology. So now come towards definition. The study of living organisms which are only visible under microscope. So microbiology is the study of living organisms which are only visible under microscope. Now see here. These are the living organisms. So these are the living microorganisms. These microorganisms we cannot see with our bare eyes. So we should see these microorganisms with the help of microscope. So when we see these microorganisms through this microscope, it looks like this. So this is the living structure of microorganism. So the study of like this living microorganisms is known as microbiology. So now before going in detail about microbiology, first we should know about its history. So the history of microbiology starts from a scientist called Antony van Leeuwenhoek. So Antony van Leeuwenhoek is a scientist. His hobby is to grind the lenses. So one day he designed a simple microscope in his laboratory and he firstly observed the microorganisms in 1676. So listen here. Antony van Leeuwenhoek is a scientist. His hobby is to grind the lenses. So one day he designed a simple microscope in his laboratory and he firstly observed the microorganisms in 1676. So now listen here, this is very interesting. Robert Hooke is another scientist. He confirmed the observation of Antony in 1678. So what he did? Robert Hooke confirmed the observation of Antony in 1678, but the both observations are same. So the credit goes to Antony van Leeuwenhoek because he firstly observed the microscope in 1676. So Antony van Leeuwenhoek is universally called as father of microbiology. So Antony van Leeuwenhoek is universally considered as father of microbiology. So now listen here, this is very important. Before 1676 there is no answer for why grapes turn into wine and why milk turn into curd. So this is all about historical introduction and definition of microbiology.